Hello everyone. Recently, Google introduced a new artificial intelligence-based development environment, Gemini Firebase Studio, which has already made quite a buzz among programmers. In this video, I decided to compare Firebase Studio with the popular tool Cursor on Claude version 3.7. Let's find out together who handles the task better. Let's go. For the sake of a fair experiment, I set the same task for both platforms, to write a fully functional version of the famous game Tetris. The prompt was the same to ensure the test conditions were as fair as possible. First in the test is Firebase Studio. It performed quite quickly, but almost immediately there was an unpleasant bug with invisible blocks which required additional time and effort to fix. Errors. Next, the Cursor tackled it in Claude version 3.7. It took a bit longer in the first stage, but the result was fully operational from the first launch. True, but there was a small drawback here as well. The shadow of the falling was displayed incorrectly. Figures. The problem was fixed fairly quickly, and the game was ready. It's important to note that in this comparison I intentionally did not consider the number of lines of code and the visual design of the games, focusing solely on the speed and quality of the platform's performance. Let's summarize. Both systems, Firebase Studio and the Cursor on Cloud, performed well. However, personally my choice still remains with the Cursor on Cloud. Why is that? I will explain in more detail in upcoming videos or right now on my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment on what other comparisons you would be interested in. See you soon.